Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Fast Credit Repair. Fast Credit Repair, a comprehensive review, and my usage experience. In this video, we're diving deep into Fast Credit Repair, exploring its features, target audience, and how it can potentially boost your financial well-being. Fast Credit Repair is specifically designed for individuals needing swift, professional assistance to elevate their credit scores and sanitize their credit reports. Whether inaccurate information, late payments, collections, or other negative marks are plaguing your credit, this service is structured to deliver results faster than conventional credit repair methods. The cornerstone of Fast Credit Repair is its thorough credit analysis. After you enroll, their team scrutinizes your credit reports from all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They pinpoint inaccuracies, outdated entries, and other questionable information, then formulate a strategy to address these issues effectively. One of Fast Credit Repair's standout attributes is its accelerated dispute resolution process. They employ proven methods to challenge inaccurate or unfair items directly with the credit bureaus and creditors. Their expert team leverages its knowledge to expedite the process, striving to deliver tangible improvements quickly. This makes Fast Credit Repair an excellent option for those needing to qualify for a loan, secure a better interest rate, or achieve other financial milestones within a short time frame. Beyond dispute resolution, Fast Credit Repair offers personalized guidance to help clients cultivate better financial habits and build a positive credit history. This two-pronged approach not only facilitates immediate improvements but also fosters long-term credit health. Another key benefit is their transparent pricing and flexible plans. This ensures you receive the service that aligns with your budget without any concealed fees. Furthermore, they provide regular updates and easy-to-access progress reports, keeping you informed every step of the way. Fast Credit Repair is ideal for anyone seeking a fast, reliable, and professional solution to credit repair. If you're ready to take charge of your financial future, check out the links in the description to learn more or begin your journey today.